double crochet, which just gives you a much longer stitch, so it makes a blanket or a scarf go much faster than single would. When you're doing that, single crochet, you went in the second stitch. When we're doing double crochet, we're going to go into the third stitch. And we also have a step in front of that. We wrap our yarn around before we even poke through. Then we go in the 1, 2, third stitch. I pull my yarn over and through my 1 loop. Now I have 3 on my hook. But I'm only ever going to be wrapping my yarn around and pulling through 2 at a time. So I pulled it through 2, then I wrap around and I pull it through the last 2. So now I have 2 large stitches there. This first one were the couple I skipped, and then there was one that I actually used the double crochet to make. So again, I wrap my yarn around, poke through, wrap the yarn around, go through just my chain there, wrap it around, through 2, wrap the yarn around, through 2 again. Yarn over in the beginning, I pull through 2 and 2 again. You're never pulling your hook through more than 2 loops at a time. As you'll notice with all of these videos, the better you are with your yarn control, the better and faster you can get with all of this. Yarn over, through my chain, yarn over, through the loop on my chain, yarn over, through 2, yarn over, through 2 again. And now you can see this is starting to shape up. All right, and that's double crocheting. Thanks for watching.